What if dinosaurs had never gone extinct? Would humans even exist today? How could one sudden event wipe out the rulers of Earth in just moments? And could this 66 million-year-old mystery actually be a warning for our future? 66 million years ago, Earth was filled with creatures no animal dared to challenge. Dinosaurs ruled the planet completely, from giant hunters to massive plant eaters. But suddenly, more than 75% of all species vanished. This event is called the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, one of the greatest turning points in the history of life. Scientists believe a giant asteroid about 10 kilometers wide struck Earth. The impact site is now known as the Chicxulub crater in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The collision released energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. In that moment, temperatures rose so high that vast forests and countless creatures burned instantly. But the real effects were only beginning. Enormous clouds of dust and vapor filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for years. Earth entered a long, dark winter. Temperatures dropped, plants withered, and food chains collapsed. Dinosaurs that had dominated for millions of years disappeared one after another. Only birds and smaller species survived. Yet some scientists argue it wasn't just the asteroid. Around the same time, massive volcanic eruptions shook the Deccan Traps in India. These eruptions lasted thousands of years, releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and sulfur into the air. Acid rain fell, climates shifted, and survival became even harder. So perhaps the extinction of dinosaurs was the result of a perfect storm, both asteroid and volcano. Before the catastrophe, Earth hosted over 900 different dinosaur species. From giants like Argentinosaurus stretching over 30 meters to fierce predators like Tyrannosaurus rex. Afterward, their only true descendants were the birds we see today. When you look at a pigeon, you're really looking at a living relative of dinosaurs. What's most fascinating is how this disaster changed history. With dinosaurs gone, small mammals finally had room to thrive. Millions of years later, this evolutionary chance led to the rise of humans. In a strange way, our own existence is possible only because the dinosaurs went extinct. Even today, the shadow of that event lingers. Scientists estimate that around 40 tons of small meteorites hit Earth each year. Most burn up in the atmosphere, but the threat of a large one remains. That's why NASA runs projects like DART, testing whether we could change the path of a dangerous asteroid. All to ensure the dinosaurs' fate doesn't become ours. In another sense, extinction can open doors. After the dinosaurs vanished, more than 80% of modern species eventually evolved. Life returned, diverse and vibrant, proving Earth can recover in new directions after a catastrophe. But the story is also a warning. Today, humanity faces another crisis: climate change. Some scientists say we may already be entering a sixth extinction. This time, not because of asteroids or volcanoes, but because of human activity. Forests are disappearing, global temperatures are rising, and countless species are fading away. So the extinction of dinosaurs isn't just an ancient tale. It's a mirror showing how fragile life really is and how quickly everything can change. And now the big question remains: if a disaster like this happens again, what will become of us? Will science and technology save us, or will we share the dinosaurs' fate? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments.